Wow, we don't come again as soon as I'm regularly on top this station. This one was Zobia TV. And this show will just enter your screen now, what they call Bubbles. Yeah. Yes, so. And as we don't regularly on top this show, no be only me, they always stay here. I get my criminals them for a house. Shug.
Yeah.
MC Shakla.
Oh, we are here with you
Hallelujah.
to talk the talk with you.
No, you wear the suits.
But we are here to talk with you.
It's a way we go wear suits. Come this bar today. What's happening?
Sure. I just fired the call from office. That say make I enter here.
That means say the matter go serious.
Man, the matter was
serious. It's always serious.
Yes. It's always serious. Always serious. Yes, my people there for house there. The matter we will carry on giving out today. You as Bobo we there. Or you as babe we there. You go fit. Either deal, handle, or cope with your partner if that person sabi steal your thing.
Try. I cannot cope if you dey thief my property. I cannot cope if you dey thief my money. I cannot cope.
I cannot cope if you thief my property. I cannot cope if you thief my property. I cannot cope if you
I'm going to try music. It's going to work.
I'm telling you.
You should suppose to
No,
understand.
we need to do an album.
Yes.
Showman go beat
The
drum.
funny be say you no go sell one copy.
The Bobosian hit track.
You know go sell one
I
copy.
know say if we do the thing seven, now Showman go fair break up. He go want to like
He go want to do face.
Meanwhile, he go talk to Blackface.
Yes. No matter where we carry on giving out today be that. How it go be, you go fit deal with them or cope with the matter if your bobo or your baby they always pick your things for your back. We know.
I no fit at all.
If I have a babe that's stealing, I cannot cope with her.
I no fit. Stealing is just it's just bad now. Why go they thief my thing? Or you want to wear my boxer with me? It don't make sense now.
A babe that can steal it can also kill you too.
If you want collect money, ask for money. If you want this, ask for am. But no go thief am now.
Yes. So now welcome back. That's Simple Boys on top of Zobia TV. I never see stuff in the officer studio here. And they tell you the truth. If you just join us, you don't miss checking it because we never to table. We don't come your screen. You know as they go. Yes, may we can't go social media now. May we know waiting people been talk on top of our social media portal.
You're not too different from waiting. People don't talk on top. I go for street, but this one say, hold on, no. T baby NG. He say it is a spiritual problem. Only God can help. At Aminatu say this thing has happened to me. My boyfriend they always accuse me, but one day he come know say na him sister they do am. So no be happy do am. At Emmanuel Bassi say many days for the thief, one day for the owner. At Bola _ Tokpe he say men are greedy, so they should be stolen from.
Oh, cool.
Hey,
If you be the one say, when we say your babe and some guys are wicked. Your girlfriend go come, you go crank. She
They
go
always come.
Then when she won't go, you give her transport 500 naira. But you go club, you carry your pole.
Now there where I just say charity wey dey begin from home because now there where you now can't teach the girl how to dey steal.
I no still take with you because
No.
person
It's
wey
wisdom.
go steal. That na the thing. No talk say because say
brother,
you go one guy place.
That na taking. That na taking.
No come dey tell me say
your lawful
because I be your babe. For instance, now for example, I be woman, you be man. I come your house. We crank, do everything, finish. I dey go house, you give me 500. Maybe you don't do it like 4 times. I go come to you, I go talk to you now. No, be say I go just wake up one day, I go see your wallet, I go carry your money.
And I think say this kind of thing fit happen for marriage. Because with the look, boyfriend and girlfriend.
They
right?
happen for marriage.
Say husband and wife.
Yes.
Make
Yeah.
wife the thief.
But if my wife,
I dey tell you
talk,
say
I
they
don't think you hook
happen.
me
You know why?
because-
You know why they talk say they happen? Fine. You know say me as I did so I get plenty family. My family wide, well.
So
But
you
before I
get
go,
plenty
yes, my
things
family
inside
big, well.
your
So
family.
he get one particular cousin, one of my cousins like this, will be say, it dey happen. In wife, they carry money. Wella, if your wife say, bring, even get one day, so they no be own money. The woman carry the money. Sure, you feel me? But before I go finish this whole gist, I beg, make we rush, go street. And I not say no be only us talk the matter. Make we enter street again. Go do. Wait, we'll go listen and see what our women them talk on top this matter. May we hear the other side of the story. CC opinion on top of us here. No move. No move.
I no fit cope with partner wey dey steal at all.
Ha, for where? I no fit to.
I cannot cope with a partner that steals because I don't steal.
I no fit oh, I no fit. Actually, I can because I can be the one to change the person.
I no go fit. If I love am, we will find something to do. We must stop.
It go hard though. It go hard, but I will try to make him to change.
Yes. People don't talk. Our women them don't talk. A lot of them talk say they no go fit do that kind of thing. A lot of them say they no go fit themselves. They no go fit cope with them. Women don't talk there.
Yeah, because now them, you know, say now them they point this accusing finger on very well. But meanwhile, if you be man, where they thief from your wife, man, you're a useless man.
But you know, in all fairness, you know, say sometimes boys don't do some rugged things for this life. You know where you don't deal with, you go carry one girl, we don't know say the girl now won't lose girl. You can't dey inside, maybe he can't tell you as you don't finish crank. Can't tell you say your money is 20,000 naira. You now don't know say you don't get back. And you as your guests can be very wicked. You open the bag, you can't see the girl money. You never give 20K, but a bag money dey inside.
Now the one when she hustle from another place.
Now why you go say you rob Peter to pay Paul? You get go my through.
Oh, you can't thief her money.
But really,
take pay.
but really, see.
That one not the bad thing.
This matter, we just dey talk and we dey laugh. Na very serious issue.
My brother, nothing when you feel. We don't see her.
No, I like this word, don't spoil.
How you go take like this kind of word?
No, if not like this one, won't spoil, let it spoil.
And I agree with Shakara, not fully, but because if you live in the north, like Abuja, my brother, when there's too much heat, and biology say you need fresh air.
No.
Now why guys where the thing again now?
I like one proverb for my village. Say, when old mama sit down, open leg, don't they tell mama say close leg go because you don't know where mama the front take breathe.
Yes, now. You understand? So, I beg, I'm an African man. Complete one.
This one Africa.
I don't agree with this one.
Yeah.
I want more for.
No, it's fashion.
Now,
that is not fashion.
Ugo, I can go with something.
Which kind of fashion be this one?
Yeah, chere. You know, say get some gun. You know, say get some gun where gets the wear. If you wear pants, you go your pant line go come the show. So if you dey waka, everybody come dey look. Say, see this one, see what she wear. But if you know wear, if you just dey balance, then make some girls they wear rope where they call G-string. You understand?
And you know, say because what don't really spoil. Even in the atmosphere, so that heat they 2 days now. You know that's it.
Wait,
too much fats they cause cancer of the weight now.
It is good.
I want to talk. I know green man talk now.
No.
Go research.
Wait.
I want to tell you what they cost, but no, you don't want green yet.
Ugo.
Wait, you want to tell me say say person looking, woman looking self finish, she cover the place where God give am. Say na there, man go follow enter, and na there pikin go follow come out.
No, but
you are meant to keep it sacred. What is wrong with you? Which kind of gown you they wear? When you go say you they wear gown, you know can they wear that to cover? What is wrong with you?
No, go. There's fresh air. Fresh air is key. I'm telling you. If that's why any man or if even your girlfriend should go back house, always advise her. That's how they call 90. Make she wear waiting day free. No,
you get what you call them 90.
Yes, but night. That one at night, you understand?
Nice.
But in the daytime, you understand? Money one hour game, you say, you go wear skirts, you don't wear pants, you climb bike.
You know when you want to climb Okada, you must ask Makosa. When you don't dance that makosa, as you do like this, you go also people film.
Because these are girls, they copy things where no be Nigeria they applicable. If you did one, you get car, no problem. If you open your gate,
now
you
you
drive
don't
your car.
talk the matter
But
now.
you
Say
go-
they do things when they applicable to our culture.
But you get where you get venue where it's supposed to be where
Place, I like where?
Now like I don't care.
See
Where-
the venue.
like visit
For
Shakara's
example,
home.
as you are coming, baby, I'm coming. You just come. You know, to hasten up the ministry.
Okay. I don't tire if you didn't there when we say you just join us. You don't miss plenty on top of us here today for Wazobia TV. We don't reach that time where we say we go drop Pankwan and put full stop for Bobozian
Who
today.
go wait? Why be say when program dey sweet near the end?
My brother, producer don't tell me to stop the program.
Are you sure that the program is on this way they drink? You like
Everything
you
is
just
sweet.
love the bar.
Let us go.
Oh
Everything
yeah,
is
now.
sweet.
From Shakara
Yes, so
and from Showman.
Na so.
And me, your boy, your pikin, your son, your husband, your lover,
and your houseboy.
and your houseboy. As Shakara will put it.
And your area boy
Catch your phone.
Okay.
Good night.
shall not be hard for you.